Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add music to your Telegram profile. So this is a new feature available in the newest version, so you need to update Telegram in order to you to have this feature. And as you can see, if I click on my second account, I will see a little music icon just above my picture, and if I click on it, I can listen to the music that is on this profile. So if you want to add your own music to your profile, all you have to do is to simply have an audio file here. You can just find it in other bots or upload it from your phone. And here, as you click on it, just click to play it and then click in the top side of the screen on the name of the music playing. And here you will have a big button called add to profile, so simply click on it, and now it says that audio is added to our profile. And now if we go to the settings, go to my profile, we can see a little name of this song just under our icon, and that is how we can add music to our Telegram profile. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.